In the car, there will be a lug wrench, a scissor jack, and a hand crank to lift the scissor jack up. To start, you'll have to put the car in park and put the e-brake on. You will then have to find any type of block to put diagonally opposite of your tire. Next is the location. In most cars it will be in the trunk under a cover, and you will find the spare tire, the hand crank, the lug wrench, and the scissor jack. To set up the scissor jack, insert the hand crank and turn right until the jack goes all the way up. It should sit at the jack point underneath the car. Before lifting, make sure to crack the lug nuts. Now you can fully raise the car. The safest way is to have the tire an inch off the ground. You will then have to take off all the lug nuts, take off the tire, and put on the spare tire. Put on all lug nuts and hand tighten before lowering. When the car is fully lowered, tighten all the lug nuts with the lug wrench in a star pattern. The star pattern ensures that the tire is evenly pressed against the hub. Finally, you can put all the tools away back where they were. You can put the old tire in the trunk to either dispose of later or get patched. And that is how you change a tire in an emergency. A spare tire is only recommended for 80 km/h. Go to a mechanic to get it replaced immediately.